Hello, this is Asa Leveaux, America's leading clarity coach. What that means is I train and develop decision makers from a place of frustration to a place of clarity in their minds and in their money. This is the after session review or after session assessment given by a client. And what this means is that, okay, so before this video, there was another video, and it stated that the client name is Clinton, by the way, and he had a particular need for an agency that he is building, and he wanted more clarity in it. And so the video before this one was for him to tell you guys what he wanted, what success looked like for him, and then this video is the way that I use, I keep myself accountable and this session accountable, because I know that I'm gonna have to come back and he's gonna have to tell you guys exactly how the session went or didn't go or whatever. So without further ado, Clinton, please let them know how the session was for you.
During this session, I feel first more relaxed, and that's a big for me. I feel more focused on what needs to be done, and most of all, I've got the clarity that I needed. And looking forward, I am ready for success, and I think this is the foundation that, like I said, the foundation of clarity. I think it's gonna be awesome.
Cool. So just to let you guys know, as a result of this session, we have his target market. I'm looking at the notes right now. So the target market is finalized. His brand promise is written down. He has 5 program goals for the agency. He has 4 key points of the program application, like actually how they're going to facilitate this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marketing tactics to drive all this home, and quite a few things about sales. And then we also he learned about some tools that will help him really make all of this come together. Which was the best tool that you got out of these?
I would have to say Canva, because I spent a lot on advertising.
Got it. And
now that I could do some of it on my own, I think that's going to be beneficial for me.
Cool. All right. So if you don't know about Canva, go to Canva. Canva.com. That's Canva.com. And as always, I'm Asa Leveaux. Dreams and blessings.